Hi guys, so if you have a coughing baby and you're looking for what to use, here is the recipe. This is my first time of doing a voiceover anyways. So get an onion and sugar, slice the onion into small chunks, add your sugar. After adding the sugar, you mix and cover for 6 hours. You cover it up for 6 hours. So after 6 hours, you open it and this is what you get. Yes, that liquid. So give the liquid to your baby. Please do not give to babies who are less than 6 months old. So you can give 2 ml or 2.5, whatever works for you. Thanks for watching. Bye. So how did I do with my voiceover? I need your honest review. Thank you.